Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Didi, and if you're joining us for the first time, if this is your first time coming across my video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a new video. So today first of all, I want to really apologize to all my subscribers and viewers out there for the way I drop my videos today, because I know it's the time interval is so bad. I really apologize for that, but we are back again, and this time I'll try as much as possible to be dropping my videos back. So today I'll be teaching you all how to upload a file or an image to your terminal or your GitHub. So if you're a front-end developer, a full-stack developer, and you're having issue on how to maybe upload an image to your GitHub or terminal, then pay attention to this video, because I'm going to be taking it step by step. Okay, so I'm using my phone. It's the same way if you use your phone, and it's the same method if you use your system. Do you understand? So let's start. The first thing you're going to do is go to your Chrome and log into your GitHub, right? Now go to the and log into your GitHub. Now go to the file or the directory you want to work with. Let's imagine I want to work with this Git. No, this is not. Yeah, I want to work with this directory. I want to put the image here, right? So what am I going to do? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this three dot here. You're going to see upload files. Click on upload files. You see another dash. So the first thing I advise you to do is go to your web browser. I advise you make use of Chrome. Then log into your GitHub. Now go to the directory you want to work with. You want to upload the image to. Do you understand? If you created a directory, let's say or folder, let me use folder images. So navigate to images. I'm not working with images. So let me say I'm navigating to Git. Let's say this is the image. So the next thing I want to do is click on three dots. If you're using your phone, you see three dots. If you're not using your phone, you see beside the three dots, you see something that have to do with upload and a file. You understand? So you click on these three dots. You see upload files. Click on upload files. You see choose your files. Click on choose your files. You see browse, take a photo library. So if you're making use of the system or your laptop, you'll see maybe file or the files there. Do you understand? So when you click on it, you will see the normal file on your normal system. Then you go to the folder you want to work with and click on. So just imagine I want to maybe I'm using the phone, so I'm going to go to photo library. So just say I use this picture here. Add. Click on add. It's uploading. Calm down. So it has uploaded this picture on this directory, right? Now the next thing I want to do is commit change. So I can just come here and just write whatever I want to write, because I don't want to add this to my GitHub. Then click on commit change, and it will immediately save to your GitHub. Now go to your terminal or whatever you're working with and git pull, and your images will be on your terminal or your GitHub or whatever you're using to write your code. Do you understand? So that is it on how to upload images or files to your GitHub or terminal. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you like what I just explained right now, or you have a question you want to ask, I would advise you ask it down on the comment section below. And also please like, comment, share and hit the notification bell, as I said earlier, so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a new video. See you next time. Bye.